Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a music bot in Discord. I was setting up a Discord server recently and realized it felt a bit too quiet. No music, no vibe, so adding a music bot was the obvious move. Instead of digging through random websites, I went straight to the Discover tab on the left side, then opened the Apps section, where Discord lists different bots you can add. From there, I searched for a music bot. There are a few options, but I picked one that looked reliable. After selecting it, I click Add, choose my server, and went through the authorized steps. There is usually a quick CAPTCHA to confirm, and once that's done, the bot appears in your server almost instantly. From there, you can jump into a voice channel, start using its commands to play music. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to bring life into a server, because once music starts playing, everything suddenly feels a lot less empty. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.